Oh, whoops. Ha! You know what? Stuff happens. Wow. Hey there, this is Kirsten Joy Weiss, and today I have a shooting game for you. Yep, that's right, something you can do on the range at your own risk and with all safety precautions, but this will be a lot of fun. It is called bowling with a gun, and we're going to use a bullet to shoot down bowling pins, but it is not just shooting pins. No, it's shooting shell casings and empty shells, something you can find on the range, and also you probably have a few spares yourself. They are casings that I'm going to line up just like or kind of like pins down the alley. I am not an expert bowler, so this is going to be interesting to see if I'm better with a gun than I am with a bowling ball. And hopefully that is true. So I'm going to teach you how to play this game. We're going to play it, and we're generally just going to have a great time. So let's play a game. This is created because it's challenging, it's fun, everyone can do it. There's a lot of variety to be had. One of the ways you can vary this game and make it harder or easier depending on the skill level of the shooter is to make the pins obviously further distance or shorter distance. Another way is to spread them out a little bit or keep them closer. Closer is going to be a lot easier. And yet another way is to make them smaller or larger. So you can use, I'm using 223, which is pretty average, but you can use something smaller than a 223. You can use something much larger than a 223 if it's more of a beginner shooter or you just want to have some fun and not worry about it too much. You can use shotgun shells, empty shotgun shells. So do not use live rounds. Use empty shells and casings for this game. The rest of the rules are just like regular bowling. You got your spares, your strikes. If you get them all at once on the first shot, you get a strike. If you get all of them at the second shot, you get a spare. 2 tries per turn to see if you can knock down all the pins. All the scoring is the same and everything. So really simple, really easy, really fun. It's a pretty great game, and I hope that you enjoy it as much as I'm going to. We have the bowling pins lined up downrange. They're not exactly lined up because I don't have as even of a surface as I thought I did. But let's see if I can get a strike or a spare or something good and outdo my regular bowling game, which is not so great. Oh! Yeah! I would say that that is a strike, and they went all over the place. Wow. Oh, whoops. Ha. Well, I got so excited to show you guys what's going to happen that I forgot that my scope is sighted in slightly low so that I have to aim high, and I didn't do that and I shot just below it. Destroyed my platform. You know, we all make mistakes, so I'm gonna try to redo this, put the brass back on there and actually shoot the brass, actually aim high. You know what? Stuff happens. All right, strike or a spare, baby, come on. Ooh, I think that was a strike, and I will take it. Way better than my bowling game. Far, far better. Strikes are few and far between when I go and play bowling. Let's go check it out. That is pretty cool. There's some bullets I'm going to show you later with holes straight through them. It looks awesome. But just to illustrate the point of this game, I'm going to deliberately try to get a spare this time, just to show you kind of, you know, how to play if you haven't already grasped the concept. Let's see if I can deliberately get a spare. Here we go. There's first shot. All right, now to finish them off. There's your deliberate spare. I like it. I think that that's just as challenging as trying to get it straight. That'll work. I hope that you like this game, and I hope that you try it as well, of course at your own risk, but I certainly enjoy it. So check out more videos. Make sure you subscribe. Join me and the rest of the crew at patreon.com/KirstenJoyWeiss, and we'll see you next time. Check out these hits. There's quite a few of them, but this one is by far my favorite. I will be keeping this one, that's for sure. It is awesome. Hello! How you doing?